At the end of this video, you will get a bonus tip specially for job or interview seekers, so stay till the end. OpenAI's most recent AI system is called 4, represents a significant advancement in problem-solving skills. You may ask it, for instance, how to clean a desk filled with maybe books or something else. You'll also get something helpful from it. It can also produce, read, and analyze text up to 25,000 words long. It is able to write code in all of the main computer languages. Additionally, it may reason sophisticated ways with images by understanding them as input. Above all, following the creation of GPT-4, OpenAI, it has also other real-world usage. You can give it a try and play with it as you want. The methods OpenAI developed to continuously improve GPT-4 will help us as we work towards AI systems that will empower us all. How to use ChatGPT for job interview. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to go to ChatGPT and upload your resume. Then write this prompt: act as a recruiter for SDE1 interview and give me questions based on my resume. After that, ChatGPT will give you topics, questions, and even some guidance if you want. Now another bonus tip. If you go to this website and enter your resume and job description based on your input, it will give you keywords which is lagging behind from your resume. By this trick, you can hack your dream job. You will get link of this website down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.